Today we're gonna go to Pond Mountain Game Lands. It's near Creston, North Carolina, not far from Boone, North Carolina. It's really cool. I'll show you some views. So we get some paved roads, you get some dirt roads, some rough roads, some smooth roads, some twisty roads. We're gonna be right in here somewhere. So you're gonna be able to see 3 different states from where we're gonna be standing. So let's go do it. And as usual lately, most time when I get out and do this kind of riding, I do it on the Scrambler. It's a 1200 Scrambler, made by Triumph. Fun as hell bike, probably the most fun I've ever had on a motorcycle, honestly. I love this bike.
Making the official start point of this ride, this particular little gas station right here, because I was hungry and they have pizza. Alright, let's get going. So I meant to actually start this ride in the middle of West Jefferson, North Carolina, but I didn't. I ended up at a gas station because I forgot to turn on the cameras as I went through town, but I'm not going back for it. You start in West Jefferson, North Carolina, and you get on 88 going out of town. If you stay on this road, you'll end up in Tennessee in about, 30 miles, I guess. We're not going that way. We'll be turning off here shortly. Destination, Pond Mountain Game Lands. I don't know why we're going 27 miles an hour, but who knows? I never know. We're sort of in that same area, Boone, North Carolina, Blowing Rock, Elk Park, Tennessee, Shady Valley, Tennessee, Mountain City, Tennessee, Damascus, Virginia. We're sort of in the middle of all that today. You can hear the GPS try to tell me to go that way, and you can go that way, but I don't want to go that way because there's a more interesting way to go. Wave at the moped. I just wave at everybody. If it's got 2 wheels, 3 wheels, or as long as it's less than 4 wheels, I'll wave at it. I don't care. West Mill Creek Road. Gonna go across the New River here. Pretty out through there. Pretty up that way. Pretty both ways. Alright, so we're truly off and running now on this West Mill Creek Road. Finally got past the truck that was driving so slow and driving me insane. Beautiful day here in the Appalachian Mountains. You can see the trees are starting to bud and get some leaves on them. This road's going to have little mountain roads, little dirt roads, curvy roads, no real straight roads. Lots of elevation changes. We'll be going up and down several mountains, which is a lot of the fun and a lot of the reason to go do this is going up and down the mountains because that's the best kind of riding there is, in my opinion. I don't know if you can tell, but this is very steep. Oh look, it's one of my favorite signs ever. Pavement ends. Oops, I'm wiggling. Pavement ends. I love those signs. This is the end of West Mill Creek, and we're going to get on Roaring Branch Road. But it's also a dirt road. It's pretty rough. Switch the Scrambler over to off-road mode. They've been working on this road the last couple times I've been through, so I noticed this the last time I went through. This truck is completely burnt to the ground, so just sitting there. I wonder what happened. It just burnt to the ground, just for whatever reason. Oh, there's a truck in the road. If I get around the truck in the road. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room. Motioning me on through there. Thanks, guys. So yeah, you can see the road is roughed up. We'll just call it that. You hear a GPS lady telling us that we're getting ready to take a right onto a road called Jack Jones Road. And we're back on a little pavement. So we're only going a mile on this road, though. It's the way it is in the Appalachians, though. It's just like, you just have little roads that just go every which way, up through every valley, over every mountain. You know, they're just everywhere. She's telling me to take a left at this stop sign. What was that, Jack Jones Road? And we're going to take a left onto something. Maybe she'll tell me. Take a left onto Stansbury Road. Let's get some. I told you they were going to be curvy little roads. This road is curvier than all the MILFs put together at a travel ball game. Curvy like your best friend's mom. I'm going to be honest, it's hard to find a road that's not pretty fun to ride when you get back into the Appalachians, especially when you get into the mountainy sections, like, you know, the very mountainy sections like this, you know, the higher elevation places. Because once you get there, you're constantly up and down mountains, and there's so many mountains around that they didn't have a choice but to make the road fun. Yeah, it's one of those things, you put a destination in your GPS and it says you're 10 miles away and it's going to take you 30 minutes to get there. Because, it's so curvy, and that's just a lot of fun. Anyway, we're getting ready to get off of Little Horse Creek Road and onto another road called Coy Ham Road, is what it just said. So we're going down to a single lane here. Remember that thing I said about little mountain roads, dirt roads, that kind of thing? I didn't lie. I never lie. Not to you. So as soon as I hit Coy Ham Road, it turned back into a dirt road. It is worth mentioning that I have not passed one car since we turned off of 88. But we've not passed one single vehicle coming the other direction since I got off the road, and that's been several miles back at this point, probably at least 10 miles. Look at that, I say that, and then come around the next curve when I go around, I have to go past the truck. So, one car in the last 10 miles. Fairview Church Road on the left. There it is. Definitely going up right now. Washboarded out right there. I hate that. If I remember right, I think, this road right here, if we go up that way, I don't know if you're really supposed to. There's a bunch of, land for sale back in there. It actually goes back in there quite a ways, and actually borders the Pond Mountain Game Lands, which is where we're going. We're just going to the other end and coming back to it. It's like I always get chased by a dog when I go past this house. There he is. Right on cue. We are above a Christmas tree farm now. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll stop here. It's really satisfying, all those little trees in a row, all the same height. It's this rock fence road. There's no sign here to tell you that, though. We don't need no stinking road signs.
So you'll see this sign on the right. It's impossible to miss. And then, of course, go up the hill just a little bit, and this other sign with all the information on it. So read over that so you'll know a little bit more about it.
So let's go check this out. See, this is hunting land. You come here to go hunting. So part of it is only open in the fall and winter. And then I think they open it up some during turkey season, which I don't know when that is, but it's not in the fall or winter, apparently. I don't know. I'm not a hunter. All I hunt for is kick-ass places to go on a motorcycle. And this is a kick-ass place to go. So I don't know the full story of this place. You can see what I'm talking about where it gets really steep right here. But I don't know the full story of this place. I know it used to be a Christmas tree farm. And I think they either sold it or donated it or somehow it ended up being the property of, good Lord, the state of North Carolina. Commentating on the go, y'all. It ain't for the weak. I'm starting to be able to see some of the views over there, though. So the land ended up being owned by the state of North Carolina. And so it's just a big hunting area now. And you can come up here and camp and go hunting. Or, I guess you could just camp if you want to. Still going up. You can see there are some roads that kind of go out that way, but I don't know if you're supposed to do that. Because when you come in, it tells you not to leave the road surface. But, those look like roads with surfaces. Hey, look right here. That's definitely a camping site right there. But, it looks like you should be able to go down that way. I'll go here and look and see if the gate's open before I decide what we're going to do. Hey, it is open. Hooray. So we can't go all the way up to the top. So that over there is North Carolina in the foreground, and then those mountains in the background, you'll be in Tennessee. And that way over there will be Virginia. But this is as far as you're supposed to go. And I guess you could walk up there, but... Now look at that, though. Let's zoom in on that a little bit. What a place. So that's the view off of one side. Oops. That's the view off the other. Alright? Told you I wasn't lying when I told you it was an amazing place. Yeah, but you could just see for miles and miles and miles. 3 different states from right here. Awesome. Elevation right here is 4,787 feet, which is pretty high for the Appalachians. It's not a big height compared to West Coast mountains and that kind of thing. But in the Appalachians, you know, you start getting up close to 5,000 feet, you're definitely getting some height. But just a fantastic place to be on a beautiful spring day. And there are some side roads that you are allowed to go off on. Not for this road. It's so rough. It doesn't look it, but it really is. Look, this is definitely a bring your own fun with you kind of place. There's really nothing up here. Just a road and some parking spots. But just a beautiful place, and everybody should come check this out. Look at this view, though. This is pretty outstanding, you know. To our left would be Virginia. Straight ahead be all North Carolina. North Carolina. Yeah, right? I'm saying, so, yeah, Pond Mountain Game Lands. It's only a mile or two long. I mean, really, you're coming here for the views and to get here, you know, because the roads getting here are really fun. Lots of curves, lots of dirt, you know. Just, it's a good day on a motorcycle if this is your thing. And it's something else. What a place. So, if you're looking someplace to spend a day riding, you could pick a lot worse place than this.
Alright, so we've come to the end of the video. This is where I ask you to like it, comment, subscribe, share it, do all that kind of stuff. Let me know cool places you've gone, cool places I should go. Let me know what I'm doing right. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Thanks for watching.